Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to remove the cabin seats from the middle row of a 2011 Toyota Sienna. Very easy to do. There's just a couple levers here that we're going to have to pull. The first of which is this bottom one here. If we pull that, that's going to allow us to move the seat forward and backwards. So we're going to go ahead and move the seat forward. Push up a little bit. And then the second thing we're going to need to do here with the levers is we're going to pull this top lever. And it's going to move this chair forward, but also lift the base up as well. So once it does that, so now you'll see there's a lever underneath right here. There's a handle that if we pull that and we secure it from the back and lift it, we'll be able to remove the seat from the rail. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. And so you'll see there's these rails here. Those are supposed to stay in place. We won't want to move those. So when we reinstall the chair, the seat here, we're going to want to notice this line here. We're going to want that to line up with the base. You'll see this line right here. You'll just want those two to line up. So as we put it in, it will click into place. So you'll notice now they're both lined up there. So that means that we're good. We're clicked into place. So we can just go ahead and move the chair back into place and we should be good to go. And we should be able to just move our chair forward and backwards, and we know that it's locked into the base there. You'll just want to make sure that you hear it click. Double check that the lines are lined up. And again, you just want to make sure that it clicks. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Big Al Repairs.